Yesterday we learned with the tragic news of the demise of the Deputy Air Force Commander, Brigadier General Stephen Kigondo. We have been informed he was having a shower in the evening and got executed. The details of how he was executed is what we are yet to get. The body is in the mortuary and we certainly will have a post-mortem report. It was so saddening because we were with General Kigondo in Gulu during the handover takeover of this new CDF. Very jovial gentleman. And by the way, the first pilot of the Sukhoi. So for us, he's been very near and dear to us. And we are going to miss him, certainly. And not very long ago, when he was elevated to the position of Deputy Air Force Commander, he was lucky he had jumped the rank of Colonel from Lieutenant Colonel to Brigadier General because of his exemplary work and the position he was going to occupy. The UPDF, the entire UPDF Fraternity and Ministry of Defense, certainly is together with the family, and we extend our condolences to the family, the Air Force Fraternity, and the entire UPDF.